Dubbed the Gateway of the Adirondacks, the Hudson Valley Trolley once ran from the capital region to the edge of the Adirondacks in Warrensburg. Not only did the railway allow for easy passage between farms and mills along the Hudson and Battenkill, but it encouraged wealthy visitors to tour historic sites like Saratoga and Fort Edward, pleasure parks for summer retreats, and the forests and waterfalls made famous by the last of the Mohicans. During the height of the Hudson Valley Railway's popularity in the early 20th century, the sporting magazine Outing published a story describing a tour taken along the trolley's route, stopping at Dionondehowa Falls. The road, which had also skirted a wide level plain, led down to a pretty stream, the Battenkill. A scramble over rocks led to the side of a deep rocky chasm, with sides 300 feet high, through which the river, after taking a preliminary run like an athlete, for a quarter of a mile of rapids, plunged over 90 feet down at one leap. Seething and tortuous, the stream continued on through a dark, narrow chasm until lost to view. The Hudson Valley Railway, itself powered by water through a process which generated electricity, once spanned a total distance of over 100 miles and carried around 50,000 passengers a year. But with the rise of the automobile, its success was not permanent, and the railway ended its run after only 30 years. Since its deconstruction in 1928, the trolley has become a gem of history, whisked away from memory by the passage of time.